So is it time to buy plug power? Yes, but not exact. Let's start with the monthly chart. And you can see as price declined, it did hit a monthly buyers level. The first time it did, that was good for 100+% return. Second time it penetrated the zone a bit deeper as it had to find the remaining unfilled buy orders. That bounce was good for almost 75%. The next time it went deeper, and this time the sellers won the battle over the buyers. Now there's another zone, monthly zone, that sits right at the $8 level. So I'm going to take this off the chart, and we're going to put that level monthly buyers and $8. And that reaction was good for, again, another 75%. But now the sellers are pushing price back down to retest that monthly buyers level. And as you can see, the price did penetrate more than 50%. So is it going to hold up a second time? I don't know. Let's get into the charts, the article, before we continue with the charts. This article is coming from Marketbeat. Is it time to plug into some shares of Plug Power? So shares price fell more than 50% following Q2 release. Timetables for a full commissioning of its flagship green hydrogen producing plants have been pushed out at least 2 quarters. The analyst response to Q2 results was trepid, but don't read too much into the chatter. The primary takeaways are concerns with the timetable, cash burn, and cash needs, but the community still supports the company and the market. Half dozen or more analysts have come out with commentary, but only 3 produced revisions of their ratings within the first 24 hours of the release. 19 analysts tracked by MarketBeat has been active this year, and their activity has increased since spring. They rate the stock at a moderate buy that has held firm and steady for at least the last 1 month. The data has mixed details, including upgrades, downgrades, and price target revisions. Even the lowest price target set following the Q2 release is favorable to the market. It is about 30% below the current price, but consistent with a bottom in the price action. Now, it's worth noting institutions have been buying on balance since Q1 of 2023 and has increased their total holdings to 50%, a sign of growing confidence. Now, regarding the quarter, Plug Power had a mixed quarter with top-line results growing 72% year over year, outpacing analysts' consensus target by 900 basis points. The bad news is that margins came in considerably lower, and the consensus estimates as startup and commissioning cash costs continue to build. The guidance is favorable, however, with the analysts have concerns. Nevertheless, the company reiterated its outlook for the revenue of 1.2 to 1.4 billion, with an expected subsequent ramp in hydrolyzer activity. All right, so let's go back to the charts, and we're going to zoom in down to the weekly chart. And there's definitely headwind above, starting at $12. Price sold off on the news. Just looking, just in case this zone is breached, you do have some weekly buyers down at the $4 to $5.50 level. But until we get closes below the lower portion of the zone, this monthly buyers level is still valid. Let's scroll down to the daily chart just to see if we can see any volume on this last reaction. And I don't really see any significant volume, which implies to me that potentially prices are going to penetrate the zone a bit deeper. Technically, what's still bearish is that price cannot definitively close above the 200-day moving average. However, you're getting closer to a potential golden cross. That's where the 50-day moving average crosses over the 200-day moving average. Now, patient investors, you can wait. You really want to see significant volume come in. Aggressive buyers, well, they can buy now. They can dollar cost average if price continues to decline. So those are two options. Again, scrolling out to the monthly chart, those who take the highest risk are going to get the most rewards, and that's buying now. So depending on your personality, and if you believe in the company, you're either going to buy now on a pullback, or you're going to wait for confirmation for when the charts tell you that price has truly reversed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.